Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Edge 40 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to do that. The first way is to block the contact from your contact list, and the second is by using the settings. Of course, I'll show you both, and there are some differences between them. So let's start with the contact list. Find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. And then let's pick the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on block numbers, and as you can see, your device will inform you that you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. So that's okay. That's basically our goal. I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me untick this option and tap on block. And after confirming, you can see that here we've got this characteristic icon that this number is blocked. Of course, you can unblock it the same way right here, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist. So the second way of blocking the number is by using the settings. That's what I said at the very beginning of the video. And here it does not really matter whether you will be on the contacts, receipts or the favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Here we have to enter blocked numbers, and as you can see, here we've got our blacklist, and this is the number we just blocked from our contacts. So the first way also works. Here we can add a number manually, which is also a cool option because you can, for example, paste the number here. You don't have to have it saved, or you can simply enter it just like that and tap on block. And as you can see, it will immediately also appear on the blacklist. What is more, you've got this option unknown. You can turn it on or off just by using the switcher, and you can simply block the calls from all unidentified callers. Up to you if you want to use it. If you want to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it. Alright, so that will be all. This is how to block a number in your MOTOROLA Edge 40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.